goes Ruben. Can-Am 1000, take 2. This mud gets a little deep if you get off to the right or left hand side. So you gotta know how to ride in there a little bit. It's all in fun, boy. Here he comes all the way. Now it's no stopping, boy. He's got to hit him hard. Vámonos! The Renegade 1000 going crazy, boy. He got off track a little bit. Our cameraman got off track too. And back it up a little bit. Huh? There he goes, baby. Punch it out. Little bit. He's got to go to the right a little bit. Woo. Yeah, I think we're about the only fools that go down this road over here. Everyone else tries to go around the other way. I know we're the only ones. Mama, Can-Am, baby! What are you talking about, boy? That's what we're talking about. That's Can-Am power, baby.
That's it, man.
Woo!